everyone. Welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm just going to talk for a little while. I'm a little bit at a crossroads. So I began this channel in the end of February, right before the pandemic hit New York City hard. And we very quickly became the epicenter of the pandemic. And as a result, nobody was going anywhere. And I had launched my YouTube channel and I was really, really busy. I was posting 2 videos every day and 1 video Saturday and 1 video on Sunday. So I was posting 12 videos a week. And as a result, my channel grew pretty quickly. But it was completely unsustainable. I couldn't possibly continue. I was barely sleeping. So after about 6 weeks, my channel got monetized, which is very, very quick for YouTube. But I was posting constantly. And I had to pull back. I knew I couldn't keep that pace going. So I stopped doing videos on the weekend. And then over time, I stopped doing 2 videos every day, and I just started doing Monday through Friday. In addition to that, I was designing new projects, and I had a tremendous response from those designs. I have put them up in my Etsy shop, and they're all downloadable, as most of you who watch me regularly know. And in addition to that, I was videotaping that whole process of designing each project and then stitching and talking about the design process and what I was thinking as I was doing it, and sort of walking anyone who cared to walking you through the whole thing. And I was putting those up on YouTube. And it's been an amazing journey. I mean, it hasn't even been 6 months. It's been absolutely amazing. And in thanks to all of you, I created a private Facebook group. And so many of you from here are also over there. And I try to be pretty active in that group. Most people have been just incredible. However, there have been a few people who are watching the videos, the YouTube videos, not purchasing the design. And it's when people don't purchase the pattern, but are just watching all this free content that I'm offering and then using it. I love giving free content. I do. I love being able to post videos, and I love that you get them and all you have to put up with is a couple of ads. What it's doing is it's making me I'm having to really reconsider what I'm doing. And as I realized when I was doing all those videos every day that it wasn't sustainable, I'm realizing that this isn't either. But I don't know what that means, because I want to continue posting videos on YouTube. I've decided that I can't continue to post YouTube videos of my projects, of my designs. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do it in the future, but this last project I've been holding off unveiling. Normally I would have just unveiled it and I would have started posting all the YouTube videos, all the videos that I've been making of that design process. And but I'm not doing that. I'm going to have to wait until I have in place some other way to do this, so that when you purchase the design, you can either purchase the design and just get the pattern and download it, or you can purchase the design and get the YouTube videos that come with it. I hate doing that. I really do, but I'm gonna have to. And There are a couple other things that I'm looking into, but I don't want to abandon YouTube either. I just have to figure out how to do this. So these are all the things I'm thinking about, and I questioned whether I should make a video like this because I don't want to sound ungrateful. I am so grateful. I am so grateful to all of the people who have watched, come and subscribe and watch my videos and leave me comments. And the enthusiasm and the joy that you tell me is just fabulous. And I love it. I just love it. But I also know that I've been hitting a wall a little bit. And so I just wanted to tell all of you what was going on and why, and the things that I'm grappling with. So that's what I'm grappling with. The other thing I've thought of is I've thought about doing a Zoom workshop. And I'm a little curious. I'm curious to know what the level of interest is. I'm thinking it would be a couple hours, maybe, but I'm open to suggestions and thoughts. I think it would be over Zoom, so we would be able to chat. You would be able to show me what you're doing. I would be able to help. We could do something specific. Maybe we talk about structure, design, and color. So I'm throwing these ideas out there because I'm curious to know if there's any level of interest at all. And if there is, then maybe I'll set something like that up. I want to end by thanking you again for taking the time to watch, for being such a huge enthusiastic support of stitching, and your enthusiasm is infectious, and I love it, and I love that I'm able to be a part of that. So, having said all of that, don't forget to hit that like button, click on the subscribe button. There's a little bell that pops up. You can click on that for email notifications. And leave me comments. Tell me what you think. Give me your opinions and thoughts. I'd love to know. Until next time, here's to stitching together.